Landscapers, I know meta ads may seem a bit frustrating, but in today's video, I'm going to show you the full walkthrough of how to make your first meta ads campaign. It is going to be a dynamic creative, so you can start testing right away. Here are my current landscaping client's results. He's gotten about 73 leads for a $10 CPL in the last 30 days, and in total, 136 leads, $12 CPL. He spent around $1,648, and he's closed a lot of these jobs. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to get such good results. But the average cost per lead for landscaping can be anywhere from $10 to $25. So for your first campaign, you're going to want to name it a testing campaign, because if you've never run ads before, you need to test as much content as possible so you can find some winning creatives. You're going to want to set the buying type to auction, the campaign objective to leads. We're going to come down to budget, and you can set it to ad set budget. We're going to turn this little setting right here off. We're going to ignore all of Meta's suggestions, and you're done. You can click next if this is your first time, or you can just go over to the ad set. Now for this campaign, we actually have it set to website conversion. In order to do this, you're going to have to set up a pixel. But if you don't have a landing page or a website, what you can do is run the ads to instant form. But we're going to set the performance goal to maximize number of leads. Now we come over here, and the most important setting we're going to turn on is dynamic creative. And I recommend having a budget of $30 a day. We're going to come down to the audience, set our location. We have a little 10-mile radius pin right around Atlanta. This is a small company, so they don't want to drive too far out. And make sure you guys turn this off. This needs to be off. This is going to get you leads from outside of your area. We're going to show more controls, and we have the minimum age set to the maximum because we're aiming for homeowners. And then scroll down a bit more. You're going to want to save the audience if this is your first time. Show more settings for the placement controls, and click on this little pencil right here, but make sure you uncheck this box right here. Click on the little pencil. You're going to want to press this one, and you're going to want to turn on Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, and then just turn everything else off because this gets you the best results. And then for feeds, you're going to want to turn Facebook feed, and Instagram profile feed. That's it. And then we're going to go over to the ad level. And on the ad level, you're going to want to name it the date and the number of the ad you created, just so you can keep track of things. And then you want to connect your Facebook and your Instagram profile up there. But just come and scroll down, and we're going to have a lot of content here. I am going to show you guys exactly how you can see other ads on the market. All you're going to have to do is go to the Facebook ads library and type in landscaping. Obviously, you want to set this to all and all ads as well. And then you're going to want to make sure you sort the filter and set this to at least a month before. So you just want to go through here, look at your competition, and honestly replicate them. Now this is the winning ad that I didn't show you guys yet, but this ad did extremely well for our client.
Atlanta and surrounding homeowners, if your yard has been sitting on your to-do list, this is for you. Here at GoHighLevel Landscaping, we specialize in mulch installs, stonework, and full yard cleanups, all done the right way. We've completed over 300 installs across Atlanta, and we don't leave until you're completely satisfied. Spots are filling up fast this season, so fill out the form below for a free estimate.
If you replicate a couple different variations of this exact video with a couple different words and a couple different videos in the background, you're going to get some amazing results. And then you're going to want to turn this option on. If you get a little error right here, it's because this is probably turned off. And then for the primary text, we have the city, landscaping again, a couple of results we're talking about, and then some nice things to say about the company. All these are mostly the same, all just calling out the local area. You can copy them and you can remake them for yourself. Headlines right here. Then the description, you're going to want to talk about what your business does for people. 300 plus installs counting. Get your free estimates today. Get started for free. Free estimate. And then we have our website URL for the landing page. And this landing page is going to instantly bring them to our contact form. It's going to verify their address and get a brief project description. Then we're going to scroll down here. You can also put it as a display link if you want. It's up to you. I choose not to. Browser add-ons, we're going to actually select none. And we're going to have the call to action be get a quote. Website events we have on, and I also would recommend to create an offline event. So just in case you actually have instant form, we're going to come over to create instant form, and we're going to click create form. I'm going to show you guys how to do it really quick. So you're going to name it, just set it to more volume. Have this on optimized. Come over to the intro, turn everything off. And then for the questions, you're going to want to ask some simple questions like, what service are you interested in? And then you're going to want to have all your different services. And for the second question, you can just ask, when do you want it done? And then for the third question, all you're going to ask them to do is please provide a brief job description. You're going to always collect their full name, email, and phone number. Do not have this on optional. Go over the privacy policy, and all you have to do is just put your company. So if I type in adding ally / privacy policy, it's just going to let us go through. You can just click call business and then put in your phone number. And if they click this button down here, it's actually going to bring them to call you. So you can have the headline say book your quote ASAP, and then click the button below to book the quote on the phone, and then they can just call you if you want. It's up to you. And we're going to click create form. And if you don't have a website landing page, that's all you have to do. Now what happens if there is a losing ad? All you have to do is look at it. You see that the cost per lead is way too much. You're going to go over to edit, and then you're going to go to the ad level, and all you're going to have to do is click X and then publish, and then all the other ads will keep running, but then that ad will actually be removed. The one thing about a lot of you landscapers is you guys work extremely hard and you don't have a lot of time to set these ads up yourself and manage them throughout the month. So if you do want to have someone like me run your ad account and guarantee you're not wasting ad spend and make you as much money as possible, you can go ahead in the bio and book a call with me. And on that call, it's going to be a discovery call. I'm going to look at your business, give you as many tips as possible, and show you exactly what we do to get our clients really good results. But hey, thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and copy this exact campaign that got my client over 136 leads for around a $12 cost per lead.